Okay, so shall I share my screen?
Yes, please. Beautiful. So let's go to Facebook on the left-hand side on the online store. And let's go to settings at the top, maybe next to overview. And then let's go to data sharing settings. And let's scroll down to make sure it's on maximum. Beautiful. So this is step one. So now let's go to the ads manager. So you did part one.
Yeah.
And then let's go to the pixel on your ad manager and look at the event aggregated pixel aggregated event measurement. I think that's what it's called.
In here?
And then you go to the 3 lines that'll pop up underneath the house on the top left-hand corner. There it is. And then click on Events Manager, top right. Next, yeah, that's it. Perfect. And then click on Aggregated Event Measurement, New. Awesome. And click Manage Events. So this is part 2. Click on the domain, and then scroll down, click Manage Events. Perfect. So I think this is set up. We don't need all 8. We got purchase, add payment info, initiate checkout, add to cart, view content. This should work. Click Add Event. See if there's like a page view. Select your pixel, choose pixel. Oh, I remember. We couldn't add 8 because your save button disappears. We can't save this.
Oh, yes.
And then you might need to do this on maybe like a different monitor or a different screen or something, or a different browser where the save button would pop up. Oh, actually, no, it's working now. Beautiful. You got it. So click the choose an event. Scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, we'll skip all those. Let's go back to the top. Let's select the ones we haven't. So I think the only one we don't have is search. This. And then search, you can leave that. Let's put search above view content. So you can drag it on the very left-hand side, those 6 dots on the very, yeah, perfect, you got it. Probably put add to cart above search. Make search the second last. Perfect. Submit this. I confirm these changes. Apply. So this is part 2.
Okay.
And part 3 is let's go back to the events manager, top left-hand corner. Yep. This is selecting your pixel. Go to settings and scroll down, and then click scroll back up. Show options and turn everything on. Scroll down. Track events automatically without code. Turn that on. Scroll down. And perfect. There are using the block list to click create allow list. I'm curious to see what that does. Yeah. Click create an allow list. And then, yep, you already got it. Beautiful. And that will be part 3. So this will sort of help you get like maybe, hopefully, these little tweaks will probably increase the tracking by like probably 5 to 10%. But you still probably will get things that are untracked. Doing strategy 3, one tip that I want you to try, Diane, is I want you to try higher budgets. So I have a feeling I've been testing a bit more and more, and I think $1.50 or $1, it might work if you're on a budget, but if you start with $10, you might be able to get more results faster, and you'll give Facebook more room to play with. And when you do get that one sale, when you have another $10 budget the next day, $10 is enough to get that second sale, that third sale. And I think $1 might be.
I did $5 one because I remember you saying, why don't you go up to $5?
How did the $5 one go? Did it perform any better, or was it just the same as the $1?
Yeah, it's hard to say. So I don't know whether I am killing too early. It reached like $10.92.
Okay, beautiful. See the top
with 21 content views.
Oh wow! So that means the content views were cheaper. Well, there were 52, and the other ones were like 79, 73.
Yeah.
I did get an add to cart.
No, exactly. That's why I'm like, oh, this is so frustrating.
Interesting. So let's go ahead if you want. When I come back around, I'd love to go ahead and review the first 12 products that you selected and really
Okay.
analyze what's going on.
All right, perfect.